Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Toyota Corolla faster. First, let's talk about engine performance. Upgrading your air intake system allows your engine to breathe better, increasing horsepower. Pairing this with a performance exhaust system reduces back pressure, further enhancing power output. Finally, an engine tune or ECU reflash can optimize fuel delivery and ignition timing, unlocking more of your Corolla's potential for a noticeable boost in speed. Next, let's enhance your Corolla's handling and grip. Upgrading to stiffer suspension components like coilovers significantly improves cornering stability and responsiveness. Installing wider, stickier tires provides much greater traction, allowing you to carry more speed through turns. Additionally, adding aftermarket sway bars effectively reduces body roll, keeping your car flatter and more controlled during aggressive maneuvers, which contributes to faster lap times. Now, let's focus on shedding unnecessary weight, a direct path to increased speed. Every pound removed improves your power-to-weight ratio. Start by clearing out any non-essential items from your interior and trunk. Replacing heavy stock wheels with lighter aftermarket alternatives can save several pounds of unsprung weight. For more significant gains, consider installing lightweight racing seats, which can reduce vehicle mass by dozens of pounds, making your Corolla noticeably quicker. Finally, optimizing your braking and ensuring proper maintenance are crucial for sustained speed. Upgrading to performance brake pads and rotors allows you to brake later and harder, which translates to faster entry and exit speeds on a track. Regular maintenance, such as timely oil changes and spark plug replacements, ensures your engine consistently performs at its peak. Always maintain correct tire pressure for optimal grip and efficiency, maximizing your Corolla's overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.